Such a fun road trip and so many amazing things to see in Burbank at the Warner Brothers Studio Tour. We saw different dioramas from Harry Potter and the set from many different movies and TV shows. We got to take a tour around the lot, and we also got to take a walk through the cafe that was themed after the famous TV show Friends. Do you recognize anything from any of this tour? The Star Wagons are the rental portables that they use on movie sets. Here we are in the Friends themed cafe and the famous Friends couch. Some different setups, the apartment and the couch again, and the famous umbrellas. It was just an overall fun day. I hope you have an opportunity to take a studio tour too someday.